Want to make your home smarter, more efficient, and more enjoyable in 2025? We've rounded up the must-have home essentials that will change the way you live. From fitness gadgets to high-tech security, these game-changing products are all about convenience, innovation, and style. Stick around as we dive into 20 items you'll wish you had discovered sooner. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting finds like these. Number 20, GymPal. Imagine transforming your home into the ultimate workout zone without sacrificing space or spending a fortune. Meet the GymPal, a compact powerhouse designed to redefine home fitness. This all-in-one device combines multiple tools into a sleek, portable design that fits anywhere. With adjustable resistance levels, GymPal suits everyone, from beginners to fitness pros, delivering strength, cardio, and flexibility workouts in one package. Its durable build ensures it stands the test of time, while the guided routines make every session effective and easy to follow. Ditch the bulky equipment and overpriced memberships. GymPal is here to simplify your fitness journey. Compact, user-friendly, and packed with versatility, it's the workout companion you've been waiting for. Take control of your health, anywhere, anytime, with GymPal. Sounds like a dream workout, right? But wait, you won't believe what's coming next. Something to secure your home like never before. Number 9, Lockly Vision Elite. What if your front door could do more than just lock? Meet the Lockly Vision Elite, the smart lock that's changing the game in home security. Combining a video doorbell and advanced lock technology, it gives you total control over your entryway. With a crystal-clear 1080p HD camera, night vision, and two-way audio, you can see and talk to visitors right from your phone. Real-time video alerts keep you in the loop, whether you're at home or away. The biometric fingerprint sensor ensures only trusted people can enter, while the patented Pin Genie keypad keeps your code secure. Packed with Wi-Fi connectivity, Alexa and Google Assistant integration, and a durable, weather-resistant build, it's designed to make life easier. The Lockly Vision Elite is more than a lock. It's peace of mind at your fingertips. Now that's next-level security. But hold tight, because the next product will keep your gadgets powered up wherever you go. Number 18, Starship Seer Power Bank. What if your power bank could do more than just charge? Introducing the Starship Seer Power Bank, a sleek, futuristic powerhouse built for modern life. This isn't your ordinary charger. It's a game-changer for staying powered up on the go. With a high-capacity lithium polymer battery, it delivers multiple charges for your smartphones, tablets, and more, keeping you connected all day. Its advanced fast-charging technology ensures rapid power delivery to your devices without overheating or overcharging. Equipped with USB-C and wireless charging options, it's ready to handle all your gadgets. The built-in LED display shows battery life in real time, while smart safety features guard against short circuits and overvoltage. Lightweight, compact, and perfect for travel or daily use, the Starship Seer Power Bank redefines portable charging. Now, let's talk about hygiene in the most innovative way possible. Next up is something that keeps germs away. Number 17, Luxton Hand Sanitizer Dispenser. Tired of handling messy sanitizer pumps? Meet the Luxton Automatic Hand Sanitizer Dispenser, a touch-free game-changer for hygiene in any space. Using a smart infrared sensor, it dispenses just the right amount of sanitizer without the need to touch a single button, helping reduce the spread of germs effortlessly. With a sleek design and durable ABS plastic build, it's built to last while blending seamlessly into any setting. Its large refillable reservoir works with both liquid and gel sanitizers, offering an eco-friendly and cost-effective solution. Whether powered by batteries or USB, it's portable and easy to install, making it perfect for high-traffic areas. Simple to use and reliable, the Luxton dispenser promotes hygiene and safety wherever you need it. Keep hands clean and peace of mind is hacked, one smart sensor at a time. Sanitize without lifting a finger. Sounds amazing, right? Wait until you see how easy it is to eat healthy with our next must-have gadget. Number 16, Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer. The Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer is here to change the game. This handy 4-in-1 kitchen gadget transforms your veggies into fun, creative shapes like zucchini noodles, vegetable ribbons, and perfectly sliced toppings, all in seconds. With interchangeable blades, it gives you the power to switch between spiralizing, ribboning, and slicing effortlessly. Its compact design means it won't hog counter space, and the BPA-free materials ensure safe and healthy use for the whole family. Cleanup is a breeze too. Just toss the dishwasher-safe components in and you're done. At under $20, it's an affordable way to make healthy eating exciting. With glowing Amazon reviews backing it up, the Fullstar Vegetable Spiralizer is a must-have for anyone who loves adding a twist to their meals. Spiralize your veggies in style. This tool is a game changer. But stay tuned, the next product will bring the sweet side of life to your kitchen. Number 15, Dash Express Mini Donut Maker. Who doesn't love fresh donuts? The Dash Express Mini Donut Maker is here to bring the magic of a donut shop right into your kitchen. This compact gadget whips up 7 mini donuts in minutes, making every snack time extra special. Its non-stick cooking surface ensures perfect, evenly baked treats with no mess and no hassle. Just plug it in, pour in your favorite batter, be it classic cake, brownie, or something unique, and let the machine handle the rest. The built-in auto shutoff and buzzer keep things simple, letting you know exactly when your donuts are done to perfection. Ideal for family fun, parties, or bake sales, this little device is a game changer for homemade treats. Available on Amazon, it's the ultimate way to satisfy your sweet tooth without breaking a sweat. Number 14, Cuisinart Griddler. Say goodbye to boring kitchen gadgets. The Cuisinart Griddler Panini Press brings versatility and style to your countertop. This compact yet powerful appliance isn't just a panini press, it's also a contact grill and griddle, giving you endless possibilities for delicious meals. With adjustable temperature controls and a floating hinge, it's built to handle everything from fluffy artisan sandwiches to sizzling burgers and breakfast favorites. The non-stick, removable plates ensure even cooking and make cleanup a breeze. Just pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. Its sleek stainless steel design adds a modern vibe to your kitchen while delivering pro-level results for all your culinary experiments. From quick snacks to full-on feasts, the Cuisinart Griddler Panini Press makes cooking easier, faster, and way more enjoyable. Number 13, SwitchBot Meter Pro. Imagine having a smart assistant for your home's environment. Meet the SwitchBot Meter Pro, the ultimate tool for monitoring indoor conditions. With its crisp, easy-to-read display, you get real-time updates on temperature, humidity, time, date, comfort levels, and even weather forecasts, all in one glance. What makes it stand out? It doesn't just monitor one space, it supports multi-point tracking with up to 2 outdoor sensors. Whether it's your living room, garden, or yard, you'll stay on top of it all. Stay worry-free with its built-in sound alarms, on-screen notifications, and app alerts that keep you informed of any sudden changes. Plus, it's Matter-compatible, making it a seamless addition to your smart home setup. Simplify your life while keeping your space comfortable and safe with the SwitchBot Meter Pro. Number 12, the YUFyCam 3S3. Imagine a security camera that combines cutting-edge technology with effortless convenience. Meet the YUFyCam 3. This wire-free marvel delivers stunning 4K Ultra HD video, giving you crystal-clear surveillance without the hassle of tangled wires. Thanks to its built-in solar panel, the YUFyCam 3 powers itself year-round. No battery replacements needed. It's packed with advanced AI for facial and object recognition, so you'll get accurate alerts without annoying false alarms. Plus, with 360 days of local storage, your data stays secure, and you can skip those subscription fees. With night vision and weather-resistant construction, it's built to perform in any condition. Two-way audio lets you chat with visitors or guide deliveries right from your device. Integrated with Alexa and Google Assistant, the YUFyCam 3 redefines smart, eco-friendly home security. Number 11, Shark Carpet Cleaner. Say goodbye to stubborn carpet stains with the Shark Carpet Cleaner, a game changer for hassle-free cleaning. Designed to tackle dirt, stains, and even pet hair, this tool combines powerful suction with advanced brush roll technology, leaving your carpets fresh and spotless every time. But it doesn't stop at carpets. With specialized tools for spot cleaning, upholstery, and hard-to-reach corners, it's a versatile solution for every surface in your home. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it makes cleaning feel effortless even for extended sessions. Some models feature a self-cleaning brush roll that keeps hair and debris from clogging, while anti-allergen technology captures dust and improves indoor air quality. Add in quick drying times, and you've got a cleaning companion that's efficient, user-friendly, and perfect for busy households. Cleaning just got smarter. Eggs made easy. What's not to love? But wait, the next product is a portable entertainment powerhouse. Number 10, Majocco Egg Cooker, the perfect kitchen companion for quick and easy egg prep. This compact device can cook up to 7 eggs at once, letting you enjoy your eggs exactly how you like them, soft or hard-boiled. With an automatic shutoff feature, it ensures your eggs are cooked to perfection every time, without the risk of overcooking. The included measuring cup helps you get the right amount of water, while the clear lid makes it easy to check progress. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and the space-saving design means you can easily store it away. Whether you're meal prepping or making deviled eggs, the Majocco Egg Cooker simplifies your routine and saves you time in the kitchen. Get perfect eggs with zero effort. Number 9. EAZZE D1 Pro. Transform any space into a high-quality theater with the Orzen EAZZE D1 Pro projector. This portable powerhouse delivers 1080p Full HD resolution and supports 4K content, providing stunning visuals with sharp detail and vibrant colors. Thanks to advanced LED technology, the EAZZE D1 Pro ensures bright, clear images even in well-lit rooms. With HDMI, USB, and wireless connectivity, it connects effortlessly to laptops, smartphones, gaming consoles, and more. No need for extra speakers. Its built-in stereo sound is more than enough for an immersive viewing experience. Compact and sleek, it's perfect for both home entertainment and on-the-go presentations. Whether it's movie night or a professional pitch, the EAZZE D1 Pro offers exceptional performance, flexibility, and convenience. Your ideal choice for on-the-spot entertainment. Number 8. Bellis Slim Air Fryer. Craving crispy, flavorful food without the extra calories? The Bellis Slim Air Fryer is here to make it happen. This compact, space-saving appliance is perfect for small kitchens, whether you're in an apartment or just need to maximize counter space. Thanks to rapid air circulation, you can enjoy that crispy texture without the heavy use of oil. With adjustable temperature control and a 60-minute timer, it gives you precise cooking power, from crispy fries to juicy chicken wings. Cleanup is a breeze with the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket. Plus, it's energy efficient, so you can cook quickly and smart. No matter what's on your menu, snacks or full meals, the Bellis Slim Air Fryer is the healthier, hassle-free way to cook up your favorites. Crispy food without the extra calories? Sounds like a win. Stick around because our next item will help you track your valuables with ease. Number 7. Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera. Want to keep an eye on your front door without ever having to open it? The Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera is the ultimate home security solution. With 1080p HD video, sends real-time alerts whenever movement is detected. And its weatherproof design means it performs in any condition. Whether for security or convenience, the Ecobee Smart Doorbell Camera is the perfect addition to your smart home setup. Number 6. Govee Icicle Lights. Transform your space into a winter wonderland with Govee Icicle Lights. These LED lights feature a cascading design that mimics shimmering ice or falling water, creating a stunning visual effect. Perfect for windows, rooftops, or trees, they add a magical touch to any area. Available in a range of colors like classic white, multicolored, and red, you can customize them to fit any occasion or mood. With the Govee app or voice control via Alexa or Google Assistant, adjusting brightness, color, and effects has never been easier. Durable and energy efficient, these lights are weather resistant, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether for holiday celebrations or year-round ambiance, Govee Icicle Lights are the ideal solution to bring a festive glow to your home. Number 5. Tile Pro Tracker. Never lose track of your valuables again with the Tile Pro Bluetooth Tracker. This sleek, durable device helps you quickly find your items, whether it's keys, bags, or anything else. With a long-range Bluetooth connection of up to 400 feet, it works even in larger spaces, giving you peace of mind. The Tile Pro pairs seamlessly with the Tiles app, allowing you to locate your items with a simple tap. If your item is out of range, the app shows its last known location. Plus, the loud ringer ensures you'll never miss it, even in noisy surroundings. With extended battery life and voice assistant compatibility, Alexa and Google Assistant, the Tile Pro makes it easier than ever to keep track of your essentials. Stay organized and stress-free. Never lose track of your keys again. And if you think that's cool, wait until you see the next product. A robot that does your lawn care for you? Number 4. YUK Robot Mower. Say goodbye to tedious lawn care with the YUK 3D Vision Robot Lawn Sweeping Mower. This high-tech robot uses advanced 3D vision to navigate your yard, avoiding obstacles and ensuring a thorough clean. With powerful brushes, it efficiently collects debris, grass clippings, and leaves, leaving your lawn spotless. The YUK 3D is programmed to adapt its cleaning path to your lawn's layout, offering a tailored experience. It works quietly and efficiently, saving energy while delivering top-notch performance. Plus, its weather-resistant design ensures it handles the elements without a hitch. Controlled easily through a smartphone app, this robot mower is perfect for homeowners who want a hassle-free, eco-friendly solution for a pristine lawn. Keep your yard tidy without lifting a finger. Number 3. Brill UV Toothbrush Sanitizer. Want to keep your toothbrush clean and free from harmful germs? The Brill UV Toothbrush Sanitizer is the solution you need. Using powerful ultraviolet UV light, this device kills up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses that can live on your toothbrush bristles, helping you maintain better oral hygiene. Simply place your toothbrush inside and the sanitizer gets to work in just minutes. Its compact, sleek design makes it perfect for both home use and travel, ensuring your toothbrush stays clean no matter where you are. With an automatic shut-off feature, it's safe and energy efficient. Extend the life of your toothbrush and boost your daily oral care routine with this easy-to-use sanitizer. Clean, safe, and hassle-free. The Brill UV Toothbrush Sanitizer gives you peace of mind every time you brush. Number 2, Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight. Transform your outdoor spaces with the Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight, the eco-friendly lighting solution that's as smart as it is bright. Powered by solar energy, this spotlight automatically charges during the day and shines brightly at night, perfect for illuminating pathways, gardens, or adding security to your property. It features motion detection, so the light activates when movement is detected, offering added safety and convenience. The spotlight is built to withstand the elements, with a weather-resistant design that ensures reliable performance no matter the conditions. Plus, with smart integration, you can control it remotely via a smartphone app, adjusting settings, schedules, and monitoring energy use. Easy to install with no wiring or outlets needed, the Linkine Smart Solar Spotlight is the ideal blend of sustainability and practicality. Add security and style to your outdoor spaces effortlessly. Brighten up your yard the eco-friendly way. This spotlight does it all. And now for the ultimate cleaning tool that does it all. So if you have vacuuming and mopping in one. Number 1, Roomba Combo 10 Max. Meet the Roomba Combo 10 Max, the ultimate cleaning partner that vacuums and mops your floors all in one go. Say goodbye to spending time switching between devices. With advanced sensors, this smart robot easily switches between hard floors and carpets, ensuring a deep clean every time. Its powerful suction tackles dirt, while the mopping feature gives your floors a fresh scrub. Smart mapping technology helps it navigate your home, creating a custom cleaning path for maximum efficiency. Control the Combo 10 Max from anywhere with the app, or use voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant for a truly hands-free experience. The Roomba Combo 10 Max is the time-saving solution for effortless cleaning, letting you relax while it takes care of the floors, and there you have it, 20 home essentials that are sure to make life easier in 2025. Which one are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more awesome tips and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.